Copeland Engineering is a structural engineering firm. We design residential structures and we focus our product on volume builder and on custom builders. I'm the engineer of record over the firm, so all things that go out of the firm are under my engineering license, and I oversee all of the engineering and production for the firm. The thing that sets us apart is our ability to handle unique problems. You know, we can handle them from problems that you have in the field, because we have an extensive field team, and we also can handle any kind of engineering problem that you have that's residential. Like, for example, this house right here has a swimming pool out back that's got a 20-foot tall grade beam on the back. So some of the challenges in this home would be this ridge right above us. This is a unsupported structural ridge. The way you would solve that is working with the builder and us making decisions and coming up with the fact that we're going to make the whole ceiling and roof scissor truss solution, so we could get rid of the thrust that would have a tendency to push the living room apart. And so instead of that, we've got roof scissor trusses to solve the problem. If you get your frame engineered, one of the things you're going to notice on our plans is we're designing for live loads, we're designing for dead loads, and one of the things that we check is dead load deflection. How much the beam is going to sag or respond to the weight without extra live load on top of it. So when you build a home, it's already got its own weight. And so we check how much this thing sag under its own weight. And we publish that, and we have communication with that with the builder, like, hey, when you're building the house and it's under its own dead weight, how much do you want that element to sag? And then we can control that. And there's very few clients that care about that, very few engineers that even know about it or do it. This industry is all about relationships, especially with your engineer. You want to be able to sit down with your engineer and solve problems. When you have long spans, you want to understand, what's that long span going to do? What kind of point loads are they going to have? What impact is it going to have? So you want to have a good relationship so that when you're building the plan, designing the plan, you can communicate with the builder along the way, solve problems as you're going. So you have to have good relationship, good communication to do that. And that's something we really take pride in.